The company was spun off from the research work I was conducting during my PhD at the EPFL. It was triggered essentially by the commercial interest of a customer who came and see me in the lab and essentially wanted to buy what was being developed. Of course, then the project evolved over time and matured into now addressing the satellite communications industry. So we are a supplier of critical equipment to large satellite manufacturers. So we have achieved, of course, the qualification of our products for space, which has led to the first products flying in space this summer. Second of all, we have started a US subsidiary this summer, which is now ramping up activity and developing our commercial presence on the continent. And last but not least, we raised a Series B financing round this summer under the leadership of Swisscom Ventures and Swisscanto Invest. So our products are manufactured using a novel 3D printing technology. This is an alternative to traditional manufacturing technologies in the satellite industry. And we apply this technology to essentially providing antenna products for satellites that allow for a more efficient data throughput that the satellite can achieve. So essentially enabling the satellite to deliver more data throughput to users on the ground at a lower weight, at a lower cost. So we still have many steps in front of us. We only have one satellite flying our equipment so far. We want to be on board every satellite that delivers a telecommunication mission. So the funds will be invested mostly in commercial deployments, both in Europe and in the US, in particular growth of the US subsidiary and activity overseas, but also in the industrialization of our production capabilities, because we are ahead of very large projects with many satellites that need to be produced over a very short amount of time. So there's a significant amount of preparation to deploy there to be ready to deliver these projects.
SWISSto12 has a unique disruptive technology which allows satellite operators to operate their satellites more efficient. They produce these components smaller, lighter, with much more performance. Performance on these metrics, weight, size and data throughput, is unrivaled from any player in this space. The whole satellite industry is transforming to something very exciting with more satellites, especially the low Earth orbiting constellations. So we think that the commercial opportunity for this technology is now, and the competition is way behind.